Yeah.
Hi guys, today I'm showing you what I ordered online from Macy's Manhattan. This is a baking waste set and it looks amazing and I can't wait to use it. So I'm going to show you what it is all about. This is all the things that came with, and it's a 10-piece baking set. So now this is the box. It says 10-piece bakery set, non-stick and really easy to clean up, dishwasher safe, and the oven temperature. It's Martha Stewart and it is a 10-piece bakery set. These are all the things that were in there, and I just saw this and I really liked it, so I ordered it. So now let's see on the other side what it has inside. It has a long pan or oblong pan, a 13 by 9 inch, and then it has a 6-cup muffin tray, and then it has a baking sheet for cookies and a cooling rack, a brownie pan, and then a pizza pan, a pie pan, a cake pan, and a loaf pan. So these are all the things that are in there. So let me show you what's inside. Okay, so this is the pizza pan. It is such a nice grey color. I really liked the color when I was choosing what to buy. So this is for the pizza. And now next up we have the wire rack. This is just to cool down everything. So if you bake like muffins or donuts, so you can place it on this and it will cool down very nicely. And then this is the baking tray. So when you bake biscuits, then you can place it on this thing, on this, and then bake it. I really like the color. Let me know how you guys like this color. And then this is the loaf pan for Madeira loaves, for anything that you want to bake in there. And then this is the cake pan. It's a small cake pan, but it is a normal size that you can use to make any cake. And then this is a 6-cup muffin tray. It is such a nice finish to it. It is so shiny and it's not dull. That's what I like most about it. And then this is the pie pan. I was thinking about making a pie in this, but I'm not sure what to make yet. So this is the oblong pan with a cover. So this is a cover. When you finish bake your cake, then you can just cover it. And then this is the helpful tips how to use these things. So this is just a cover. It will help you cover your cake once you're done baking. Then you don't have to take it out of the pan. And then inside here, it's the brownie pan. This is made specially for brownies. Brownies always have a discreet pan that goes with it. I really like the finish to us. And then inside here we have the oblong pan. Here this you can use to make anything you want, like a normal size cake as well. And then this is everything that was in there. I hope you guys liked what I bought. Let me know in the comments what I should make next in this baking waste set. So do let me know. And I'll see you guys in the next video.